How to communicate with people. Communicating with people can be both easy and challenging, depending on the situation and the people involved. Here are some general tips that can help you communicate effectively with others. Be clear and concise. Make sure that you are clear and concise when communicating with others. Avoid using technical jargon or complicated language that may confuse or intimidate others. Listen actively. Listening actively is a critical part of effective communication. Make sure that you listen carefully to what the other person is saying, and ask questions or paraphrase their statements to ensure that you understand their point of view. Use nonverbal cues. Nonverbal cues, such as facial expressions, tone of voice, and body language, can convey as much meaning as words. Pay attention to your own nonverbal cues, and be aware of the nonverbal cues of others. Avoid making assumptions. Don't assume that you know what others are thinking or feeling. Ask questions and seek clarification if you're unsure about something. Be respectful. Treat others with respect and courtesy, even if you disagree with them. Avoid using derogatory language or making personal attacks. Be patient. Effective communication takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent in your communication efforts, and be willing to listen and learn from others.